King of the Dancehall, Beenie has denied reports that he was detained in Ghana for breaching COVID-19 protocols. On Monday, reports out of Ghana stated that the artist allegedly tested positive for COVID-19 and disobeyed his quarantine order. It was also reported that he presented a fake vaccine passport as he was leaving the African country. Last night, Beenie took to Twitter to deny allegations that he had tested positive for the virus. He said, quote, "I have no COVID, never caught it before, tested negative for COVID, been traveling for the past 6 months, COVID-free, fully vaccinated," end quote. He also shared photos of his negative COVID-19 test online. The artist also thanked the Ghanaian government, Stoneboy and the health team along with others who made his trip a massive success. Beenie has been in Ghana since last week, where he made an appearance at BIM concert hosted by Stoneboy. The artist has also announced his upcoming album Simmer, slated for the new year. Jamaica Garrison Christmas Album Volume 2 has secured the top 3 spots on the Reggae iTunes chart. The album's tracks Carnival by Jafabio featuring Egyptian is number 1, while number 2 is Destroyer by Cashin and Javilani. Number 3 is Tonight by Charlie Blacks. The Jamaica Garrison Christmas Volume 2, the Sexy Edition, was released on December 17 and is a follow to the first Garrison Christmas album, which was executively produced by Sean Contractor Edwards. Charlie Blacks shared details on the track that he was featured on, dubbed Tonight.
Oh, yeah, this is Charlie Black representing for the Garrison Christmas album. My song on the Garrison Christmas album is called Tonight. Seeing it's produced by Dynasty. Once enough respect to contract and the whole distribution family. Bless upon the service, isn't it?
Charlie is fresh off his successful North American tour, which was in support of his debut album, Rio Bueno. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.